Hello. Welcome to channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 4-hour chart of gold in front of us. Yes, we are not in the 15 minutes time frame or hourly time frame. Usually we prefer the 15 minutes time frame because we all are day traders. But to show the levels properly, today we are using the 4 hours time frame so that I can show you better. You can already see that I have drawn some arrows here. So let's try to unfold what is going on in gold and where we can trade for the day. But before we proceed, let me show you the market sentiment, because market sentiment is the most important thing because it gives a direction. Gold is just as US-Iran tensions cloud interest rate outlook. Gold fell on Thursday as fresh US attack on Iran pushed oil price higher, stoking concerns about rising inflation and clouding the interest rate outlook. Then gold edges down as Middle East tensions, inflation worries persist. So more or less you can see that gold is showing sharp decline because of the US-Iran tension. And right now we can see that gold is under tremendous selling pressure. If you have been a part of our WhatsApp group or the free Telegram community, hope you are receiving timely updates, and hope you made some good money as well, because we discussed it thoroughly. Now we can see the selling pressure is still very much going on in the market, and in this situation there is a high chance that market will continue the downside. So where is the next support? See, the best psychological support, being a round number, is 4,000, but 4,000 is far away. You can see the blue line here. So the blue line is the 4100. So if the selling continues, then obviously there's a high chance that market will go towards 4100. But to be honest, I feel that again something will happen and market will try to go up from here, and the choppiness on gold shall continue. So in this situation right now, we can see that selling pressure is there in the market. So if you have any ongoing sell right now, you can continue with your sell position because buyers are still very much struggling. Okay, so we have a minor support around 4350. You can see the black line that I have drawn here is the first trading opportunity in front of us for the day. Let me write 1. So here, if market takes support during the day, we can look for a buy position. Keep in mind, selling pressure is very high, so buying is risky. If you are an experienced trader, if you can scalp, then you can look for a quick bounce for, let's say, 10 minutes or 15 minutes. After the market may go down again. So if market takes support on a 4350, you can look for a buy position. There is a possibility of liquidity grab as well. For example, if you see that after making a low of 4340 low banane ke baad, if market goes up again, then also we can look for buy around 4350. But again, I'm repeating, selling pressure is very high, so be very fast with your entry and exit. Okay, later on the same level, 4350 will give us the selling opportunity. For example, market starts going down, and you want a fresh opportunity, fresh selling position. What you can do is, when the same level will become the new resistance, you can look for a sell position. Means after hitting 4350, 4355, if market shows resistance, you can look for a sell position. So right now we can look for a quick buy. If you want to take the risk around 4350, but be fast with your entry and exit. And we can also buy liquidity grab, but careful. Later on we can go for a sell position around 4350 when the same level will become the new resistance. And my dear friends, if you're looking for a reliable trading platform, you can consider opening your account with Vantage Markets. Vantage Market is a global brand, doesn't require any introduction. They have more than 5 million registered users, and just check out their ratings. Means they are loved and also trusted by traders globally. So if you're looking for a safe broker for your capital and also a very good platform for trading, feel free to open your account with Vantage Markets. Use our referral in the description so that you also get access to our WhatsApp community as well. That will help you to become a better trader. One more thing I would like to add here is that from time to time you have seen me talking about different brokers, because see, they are all part of the same company. They are sister company. For example, right now, okay, VT Market, also a sister company of Vantage, they are also giving a very nice offer. If you trade in crypto and if you love to hold bitcoins, for example, you are a swing trader, you prefer to hold Bitcoin, BTC, USD for 2-3 days, 5 days, then they are giving swap free accounts. But yes, you need to use my link in the description, because this is a special relation that I have built with the company. Because, for example, initially I was talking about Star a couple of months ago. Star, VT Markets, Vantage, they are all sister companies. Okay, so feel free to open your account with VT Markets if you are looking for a swap free crypto account, or you can also proceed with Vantage Markets as well. Okay, so it's all the same. And during the day, if market goes up, then we can look for a sell around 4400, 4405. The dotted line that you see here, okay, this dotted line is the selling opportunity. Why? 4400 was a psychological level. Okay, we can expect day traders to provide resistance. Okay, not day traders to provide resistance. Okay, day traders may find some resistance around 4400, 4405. If you see market is showing price rejection from above, we can look for a sell position. Okay, so this is the 50 minutes chart. Okay, let me give it a prominent look. See, this is the support market bounce. So during the day, if market recovers, then there's a high chance that market will face resistance around this area. So if market starts showing price rejection from above, we can look for a sell around 4400, 4405 area. Okay, and if market shows further upside, okay, then we can look for sell around 4460, 4465 as well here at the top. But chances are very less. Okay, here you see that if market goes up, then we can look for a sell around 4460, 4465. But chances are less that market will face resistance. Sorry, market will be able to go to that level. Okay, so if anyways, gold is full of surprises. Okay, if market goes up, then we can look for a sell around 446 to 4465 area. And for gold to recover, it needs to cross this level as of now. If gold breaks 4465, okay, then only it will be a kind of a confirmation that buyers are back in the game. But here you can see I have drawn a pullback, means market needs to take support around 4465 and then market needs to bounce. Then only we will get a confirmation that it is safe to buy. Means when 4465 will become the new support, then we can buy. जब ये नया support बनेगा तब हम buy कर सकते हैं. Otherwise, okay, it is very risky. Anyways, 4465 is far away from the current market price. Chances are also very less that market will be able to go to that level. As of now, chances are high that the selling pressure on gold will continue unless US President Donald Trump does something. Okay. Till then, follow the trend of the market. Trend of the market is very not useful. Okay, as long as you are in front of the screen, always remember trend is your friend.